Shalom, everybody. Well, welcome back to Vision for Israel's annual Purim party. This is where we invite over 300 victims of terror attacks with the family members to come and rejoice this day of Purim. It's about the victory over Haman. Well, today we face other enemies such as Hamas, but people are coming to rejoice. Many of these families have lost loved ones or those that have been injured in terror attacks. But we're here to gather together to bring joy, happiness together with food, games, fellowship. And I want to thank all of you out there for your prayers, for your financial donations, for making these kinds of events possible here at the Millennium Center for Vision for Israel. God bless you and shalom. I got to get back to the party.